Good morning, grade 8. Today you are gonna study chapter 17, section 1, characteristics of birds. Please open your book on page 442 and be with me. Birds share many characteristics with reptiles, such as being vertebrates, having scales on parts of their bodies, and laying amniotic eggs with shell. This is a scale that covers most of reptiles' body. Birds have unique characteristics such as having feathers, wings, and a beak. Birds can also maintain a constant body temperature. Kind of feathers. Birds have two kinds of feathers, down feathers and contour feathers. Fluffy feathers that lie next to bird's body are called down feathers. Down feathers help birds stay warm. Contour feathers are stiff feathers that cover a bird's body and wings. Contour feathers help some birds attract mate and fly. The function of feathers. Feathers help birds stay dry and warm, attract mates, and fly. Birds take good care of their feathers through two processes. Number 1, molting. Number 2, preening. Molting is the process of shedding all the feathers and growing a new one. Focus on this bird to see what this bird will look like when it's finished molting. Ta 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 ta. Here it is. Preening. They use their beaks to spread oil on their feathers in a process called preening. Preening helps waterproof the feathers and keep them clean. They are fast metabolism. Birds need a lot of energy to fly. To get this energy, their body breaks down food quickly. They have high energy foods. Because birds need a lot of energy, they eat a lot. Birds have a unique digestive system to help them get energy quickly. Here we can see the bird's digestive system. Most birds eat insects, nuts, seeds, or meat. These foods are high in protein and fats. Food moves from bird's mouth to the crop. In the crop, the food can be stored. Then food moves to the gizzard. Here, gizzard, where a small stone grinds up the food before moves to the intestine. Most birds can fly. Even flightless birds such as ostrich have ancestors that could fly. Birds have many adaptations for flight. Number 1, wings. Number 2, Birds have lightweight bodies. Number 3, powerful flight muscles. Number 4, a rapidly beating heart. How do birds fly? The shape of the wing affects the air around it. As air flows over and under bird's wing, the air speed and direction change. This change causes lift. What is lift? It is an upward force on an object. Here we can see a bird make a lift. This is a shape of the wing. It causes less pressure here above the wing and constant air pressure under the wing. The faster moving air on top creates an area of low pressure. The slower moving area underneath creates an area of high pressure and pushes the wing up. Here low pressure and here high pressure. This upward force is called lift. Like reptiles, birds reproduce sexually by internal fertilization. Birds also lay amniotic eggs. Many birds build nests in which they lay their eggs. Why? To protect the egg. Unlike most reptile, birds must keep their eggs warm for the embryos to live and grow. The act of sitting on egg and using body heat to keep them warm is called brooding. Here we can see this hen sitting on egg to keep it warm for the embryo to live and grow. Birds that are active soon after they hatch are called precocials, like this duck. Precocial chicks such as chicken and duck's chicks can walk, swim, and feed themselves shortly after birth. The mother provides warmth and protection. Altricial chicks such as hawk and songbird chicks are born weak and helpless. Their eyes are closed and they don't have feathers. Thank you for your attention.